Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Natalie. Make sure you leave in the comments what kind of videos you would like to see on this channel. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do another exciting page in my journal. I think what I'm going to do is, because on this side I have that one I did last week, I'm going to cut this. Sticky, interesting. Or just rip it to protect that part too, because I don't want that one getting splashed on. There. This goes under here. It's not going to be perfect. But I just put some paper towel underneath it too. Oops. There, to protect it a little more. As you can see, this is all sort of tealish blue, and what I was thinking is to create a sunset, a blue sunset. Also do like this kind of grayish, tealish color, and I'm only gonna work in pretty simple color scheme. So this one is called turquoise blue, very pretty straightforward name. Let's see if I'm use this phthalo turquoise light. We got some cobalt blue, see, and I got some beige blue, whatever. I got some gold for the sun, white of course, and there's some a little bit of that green left. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of it or just part of it. We'll see what happens. Okay. So the sunset. And then we're going to have I'm thinking I'm going to do the picture I'm looking at is not, it's actually, the sunset goes this way, but I like it this way because the way the paper is glued on. So just gonna have a lower horizon line, I guess. And because this is supposed to be a sunset around here, I'm gonna put some reeds up. This is all about, you know, this summer being around here. So okay, so let's start with let's see how that teal looks when I just get it out of that tube. Yeah, I can make this darker or lighter. And I decided not to put chess on here today, just because it does seem to work fine if I paint over it. Now, see, I think I have some more pages that I ripped out that I could use for future page backgrounds, but I think the next one I'm actually gonna make, it's gonna be alcohol inks, and then I'm just gonna stick it on there. I'm gonna use it on Yuba paper. Where is it? Here, mix some white with that green, turquoise, sorry. So, see how much I need. I'm still using my watercolor palette. So as soon as you make it thinner, it doesn't cover as much, but that's okay. I used up all my clamps for putting up curtains because it's so hot for putting up a sheet because it's so hot in the house. So I don't have any clamps to hold the page down at this moment. sure where I wanted to go. It's higher than I wanted it, but whatever. And a little darker on the top here. Good color grading. Okay, we're back at it. It's dried. Takes like 5 minutes to dry. And a little piece like that. And so, continuing with making it darker. Now, let's mix that with a little blanky blank. I forgot to tell you guys that I'm using quite an amount of black in here to kind of making it darker on the top and on the bottom. Instinct for a living man. However, there is one thing you're all forgetting, that endless morning will turn to night, and when you're dreaming. Teal here. I have to tell you because I can't see the shadow that other page is casting. So work it in till you like what you get. Okay, that's pretty good. Now I'm just going to using white to kind of establish the horizon, and where the sunset is going to happen will be lighter because it casts a lot of light. Dry. Oh, let's show you something. I did an experiment with those colors before and I actually came up with this cool little painting. It's not even dry yet. Just you added a little white marks in it, and yeah, here we go. I'm gonna put that up for sale in my Etsy shop. Okay, so we're back. It's getting pretty tacky dry here. It's good enough. So I think we're gonna start doing the gold, because this one is pretty liquidy. I have to get it off. There you go. Just gonna put a little oops, that's enough. Much talking about little. I think you're gonna use some other gold. This one is too liquidy for this experiment, but that's okay. It's going up anyway. Let's see, I got lots of gold. That one is a little darker, but it's okay. I need to do a little sharper line here. Actually, what's very interesting is the picture I'm looking at is actually not the horizon. This is just, it's not going down yet. It's above the horizon. So we can go with that. Make it all the way around. But
city lights looking fine, and knowing this is my time.
so
I'm gonna be myself, be someone else. No one's stopping now. I'm gonna skip my
here. I also have that other pen I can use. So since this is too kind of vulnerable and wet, let's maybe do some braids on the side here. Actually, I wanted to have one going this way. One of my favorite brushes. I think I have that thing for quite a while. So let's zoom out again.
I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
Okay, something went missing. Let's turn it sideways. I'm trying to get rid of this one piece here. I usually don't do this in a journal, but I don't know, I just didn't like it that much. So that looks better now. Just gonna let this dry and then put some details in and figure out the reed problem. I'm not sure why the camera keeps stopping. Maybe it's too hot, I don't know. Anyway, I put some more little guys in here and this, and that should be done. So now I'm gonna let it dry, come up with some kind of writing. I think I'm gonna put it in this corner. Yeah, and we're done. So one more. Wait. It's hard to read what I wrote, but I'll let you know. It says, even though this day is over, there's a whole new day waiting for you just around the corner, with new life lessons being learned. Don't dwell on the past that you can't change. Rather look ahead to the future, but which you can change. There you go. Okay, so that is it. I'm gonna maybe give you a little close-up look. Okay, here we are. Okay, so here we are. I really like how the sun kind of glows now when you shine the light on it. So yeah, it's a really nice sunset, I think. Hope you subscribe, like, and share. Make sure you ring that bell so you get notified when there's new videos up. And make sure you check out all the other videos I have. See you next one.